Anthropic updated its policies. And one thing that they did was they said very clearly that you can't use your pro or max plan outside of their universe, which means that now if you have been running your OpenClaw instance off of your personal subscription account to Anthropic's AI products, you're kind of banned from doing that, as far as we can tell. Matt, you're nodding your head back and forth. Am I misreading the Anthropic update?
No, did that just happen? I think that has been the policy.
Well, they updated the documents. I know there was the
Oh,
conversation about the coding tools, but people are reading this more as indication that you can't bring your Claude subscription to OpenClaw itself.
yeah. Well, what a fumble. It just seems like such a it's like a negative signal to this community of builders who I have a max subscription and yes, I'm using it through that. Obviously, I'm gonna have to consider other options, maybe the API directly, but it leaves such a sour taste in my mouth. I don't like why not just let me do it? I have increased my payments to Anthropic because of OpenClaw. So like just let me do it. Let me do what I want with my tokens. And I don't know, it just not a good vibe.
Yeah, it's a little bit surprising to me, Jason. There's been a lot of commentary that Anthropic has fumbled the bag, the moment, the future in regards to OpenClaw. But at the same time, you don't want people using your stuff in ways that you don't want them to. Like if I took Massive out and did things with it that you didn't approve of, I presume you would cut me off as well.
Absolutely, immediately. When we're talking about security, by the way, there's like this trade-off, yeah, versus moving slow and cautiously, or like figuring out what the future might look like and jumping in. So we're trying to, toe that line. And yeah, it's disappointing because Claude has built some really great technology that people love using. I'm using Claude to do all kinds of it's like magic at my computer that used to take me a lot longer to produce. And when you take OpenClaw, you just want to bring your own anything to
Yeah.
use it. So it's kind of it doesn't leave a great taste in the user's mouth to have this restriction imposed on us.
AI is revolutionizing every aspect of our industry, but for founders, it can prove very frustrating, largely because cloud costs are so unpredictable. This has probably happened to you. You've planned out and budgeted a certain amount for a project and then been hit with a massive bill with no real explanation for what went wrong. If you're feeling like the cost of working with this innovative technology is just too high, finally, we have a solution for you. Crusoe. They are the AI cloud company that's taking an energy first approach. What does it mean? They efficiently access their power directly from the source and pass all the savings along to you. This isn't just about saving some cash. Crusoe's architecture is specifically optimized for your AI workloads, and their customer support response times clock in at under 6 minutes. Here's what I want you to do. Visit crusoe.ai/savings to receive $100,000 in credits for virtualized NVIDIA GB200 NVL72 on Crusoe Cloud, pending availability. That's CRUSOE.ai/savings.